Okay, so we're going to use a Ford Kuga 2021, and we've installed next space front and rear dash cam. So this is a customer's own dash cam, so we do provide installation service for dash cams if you want your own one installed. So it's a dash cam, so it's a front and rear one. It's next space. As you can see, it's all nicely installed, very minimal wire showed. And you've got the rear one in the back. So if you have your own dash cam and you want us to install it, give us a shout. See the link down below. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.